Hi friends, we have got 6 days to get this house in order because we are hosting my son's 9th birthday party and we have to get it from this to this. And honestly, it was a huge process. So I want to take you guys along with me and show you how realistic this process was. And of course, I would start it off by spilling my coffee all over myself. Happy October 1st, everyone. I made this. Isn't it beautiful? This is a project for not today. It's really not that bad though, guys. Honestly. That's not terrible, right? That's disgusting. I'm about to like get you up close and personal with it. Let me show you the progress the boys have been making. I'm not doing this all alone, which is fan-freaking-tastic. But this is what the boys have been doing. Alright, I guess we're gonna try to rehang this. Coffee break time, and then decide what we're tackling next. I don't know why we started, what, 6 days? 6 days before his party. But it's kind of forcing us to do all the things that we've been needing to do and wanting to do. It's just a lot of work. I am so tired and so ready to be done, but I really want to get this shelf up because we just have stuff like lining, and I just want it to have a home, you know? Okay, last thing for today, and then I'm done. I'm not done. We have to go grocery shopping, but after that, we're done, right? Literally 2 seconds later, I rearranged it, but I didn't like film it. So I just put these shelves right here for right now. But I moved the kennel over here. So there's 2 kennels side by side, but that does not leave enough room for the table. So first off, if anyone has ideas on how to do this, please let me know. I'm not good with space and things. But we've got her kennel as an like end table on this side. I wonder if we, when we get to this section, if we put his kennel as an end table, and then we can put like something on top. Is that a good thought? Oh my god, look at it. Is that a good thought, or is that not a good thought? I don't know. But I just needed to show you guys this shelf here. That's where we had all of these books that I put over here. That's where all of our books and stuff were. How gross. How gross. I don't know, I'm gonna change this probably another 100 times tonight, so. This is where I'm finishing up today, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, friends. It is now Friday. The last time I talked to you, it was Monday. A lot has happened in between Tuesday and today, so I'm gonna drink my coffee and we're gonna talk about it and get our game plan set for today. Tuesday, I knew I wasn't going to get anything done because we have agility with our dogs. It's 7:45 to 8:45. I get to her house at 9 p.m. I'm not going to drive home and then just to drive back to her house because we commute in the morning. So I stay at her house, right? Wednesday, I was like, we need to go to the party store because I needed decorations, some things for the gift bags, like just, you know, random things, right? That party store was such a bust. Online, it literally said it had everything I needed. Nothing. It had nothing that I needed. And it's a Fortnite party, and apparently there's something going on with Fortnite and licensing, and you can't sell stuff. So I ended up getting all of my decorations and everything else off of Amazon anyways. I didn't get back to my sister's until 10 o'clock on Wednesday. The last 2 days have been a complete, like, write-off for working on the house. For me. My boyfriend and my son continued to do things because they are freaking amazing humans, and I love them both dearly. So my boyfriend did the bathroom. He did the floors in the kitchen, and then tomorrow he's going to do the outside. So my job last night was to clean the cat area and the kitten area because we're still fostering our barn kittens. They'll go home, they'll find homes soon, but I had to clean their area. So I cleaned the upstairs hallway and the upstairs bathroom last night. So all I have left, I say all I have left, but it's a huge project, is the kitchen. It's really not as bad as it could be, but the kitchen is what I have left to do today. And I've put it off to dead last. And the living room, but that, we'll get that like vacuumed and stuff tonight. That won't be hard at all. Really, it's really not that bad. Hi, can I help you? Can I help you, John? It is time. I know that I have a coffee cup addiction. Some of you have told me to downsize my coffee cups.
I need to learn how to wash them after I use them is the real problem. I love coffee cups. They fill my soul. And one day I hope to have a wall, like a legit line of coffee cups. So I will never downsize those. I do know that I need to downsize on dishes. I'm aware of that. That'll happen at some point. Okay, I know. It'll happen at some point. If I could have a dishwasher specifically just for utensils, I think I would pay $1 million for it. I'm fine with washing plates and cups, bowls, doesn't bother me. Utensils drive me nuts. There she is. It's my dinner. I'm pretty proud with what I finished in 45 minutes. The rest will have to happen tomorrow, which is fine. I got a lot of the dishes done. A lot. So, I'm going to eat some dinner, and the kiddo and I are going to pack the kids' goodie bags for tomorrow, so that's why I'm calling it early. Unless, if I didn't do that, I would probably work until like 10 p.m., which I need my beauty sleep. So I will see you in the morning. I know the calendar says September, but that's just a battle we're gonna not fight today. Alright, so this is as clean as I think the kitchen is going to get before we have to go to soccer. The dishes, I'm going to recruit my mother to finish those for me before the party starts, because I'm just tapped out and sometimes you have to outsource a little bit. But like, this looks really freaking good. This laundry, this is the last load that has to go in, so that won't be there. It just has to get switched. But yeah.